Bulking and cutting. Demystified, top foods for muscle transformation. Welcome to our fitness journey, where today we're diving into the world of bulking and cutting. These are two phases every fitness enthusiast encounters on their path to achieving their dream physique. Let's break down what they entail and the best foods to support each phase. Bulking is the phase where you focus on gaining muscle mass and weight. It involves consuming more calories than you burn, providing your body with the fuel it needs to grow stronger and larger muscles. But it's not just about eating more. It's about eating smart. On the flip side, cutting is about shedding the excess fat while retaining as much muscle mass as possible. This phase requires a caloric deficit, meaning you consume fewer calories than you burn. It's a delicate balance, aiming to reveal the muscle mass gained during bulking. When it comes to bulking, carbohydrates are your best friend. They provide the energy needed for intense workouts. Foods like sweet potatoes, oats, and brown rice are excellent options. They're not just energy-dense, but also packed with nutrients that support muscle growth. Protein is the cornerstone of muscle repair and growth. For bulking, lean meats such as chicken breast, turkey, and fish, alongside plant-based sources like lentils and chickpeas, are ideal. They help in muscle recovery and growth without adding unwanted fat. Healthy fats are often overlooked but are crucial for hormone regulation, including those involved in muscle building. Avocados, nuts, and seeds, as well as fatty fish like salmon, provide the essential fats your body needs during the bulking phase. Transitioning to cutting, your diet shifts focus. Protein becomes even more critical. It helps maintain muscle mass in a calorie deficit. Increase your intake of lean proteins and consider incorporating whey protein supplements to meet your daily requirements without excess calories. Vegetables are your allies in the cutting phase. They are low in calories but high in fiber, making you feel full longer. Broccoli, spinach, and kale, among others, should become staples in your diet, providing essential nutrients while keeping calorie intake low. Hydration plays a pivotal role in both bulking and cutting, but becomes particularly important during cutting. Drinking plenty of water helps suppress appetite, aids in fat metabolism, and keeps your body functioning optimally as you reduce your calorie intake. While fruits are nutritious, during the cutting phase, focus on those lower in sugar and high in fiber. Berries, apples, and pears are great choices. They satisfy your sweet tooth and provide the fiber needed to keep hunger at bay. For both bulking and cutting, meal timing can enhance your results. Consuming the right foods before and after workouts ensures your body has the energy for exercise and the nutrients for recovery and growth. Supplementation should be considered a helping hand, not a replacement for a well-balanced diet. For bulking, creatine and mass gainers can be beneficial. For cutting, branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, and fat burners might provide an edge. Remember, both bulking and cutting phases require patience and consistency. It's not just about the foods you eat, but also about how you train and rest. Listen to your body and adjust your diet and exercise routine as needed. Lastly, it's essential to consult a nutritionist or a fitness professional when planning your bulking or cutting phases. Tailoring your diet and exercise to your specific needs can make all the difference in achieving your fitness goals. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of bulking and cutting and the best foods to support each phase. Remember, the journey to a fitter you is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay motivated and let's achieve those goals together.